guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn of Food Etc. Today I am going to show you how to save a box of Cheerios from being thrown out because nobody wants to eat it and it's overstaying in the counter. So let's upgrade the taste of our Cheerios so it's gonna be more appetizing. So let's go start. This is our main ingredients, the Cheerios, whole bag of it. 400 grams of marshmallows, almost a cup of chopped walnuts, a cup of raisins, and 1/4 cup of butter. So we also need a tray to put our Cheerios later, and I lined it with parchment paper so it won't stick. So that's all what we need. So let's start. So here you go, guys. I am using my wok because this is the largest pot I can find in my kitchen. So we're just gonna melt the butter for now. Okay. So my heat is in a low setting. I don't want it really hot since this melts really fast. So once the butter is all melted, we're going to add in our marshmallows, the whole bag of marshmallows. I know it's pretty sweet. The all grain Cheerios is not that sweet at all actually. So the honey nut is sweet, but the all grain it's not that sweet. That's why nobody wants to eat it. Okay, so we'll just keep mixing this until everything melts. So here you go, guys. Our marshmallow is fully melted. Okay, it's fully melted. Now we can go ahead and add our Cheerios. It's a lot, but I will have to portion this, and this is kind of my breakfast to go. I will cut it in like a breakfast bar, so in the morning I can just grab it and take it with me to work because I get up really early in the morning and then my work starts at 5 and I don't have time to eat my breakfast. So this is a quick meal for me for early morning. And at least there's sugar, wakes me up a little bit. Okay, just mix it up until all the marshmallows is incorporated with our Cheerios. We don't want to forget our raisins on our walnuts. So you can even add in any other dried fruit that you want to add into your Cheerios, or extra nuts like peanuts or almond, or even chia seeds, or even sesame seeds, just to make it more exciting. So this should all be good now. They're pretty mixed properly. You don't want to burn the whole thing because it's getting really hot now. Okay, now we can transfer it into our baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now let this set. Okay, guys, this is all fully set. Cool off. Now we can go ahead cool and then we can cut it out. Cut this slices in like a breakfast bar size. So here you go, guys. I already cut this. This is around 3 inches long and 1 inch thick. So to make it longer, stay longer, the shelf life, you can put this in individual Ziploc bag and it's ready to go. So when you need to grab one, just grab it without even wrapping it because it's already in the bag. So this bag is around 165 mm by 82 mm. So this is perfect for this. So we can just put this in. So this is perfect with nice warm milk, coffee, or some tea. So this is the 5-grain Cheerios. This is not the honey Cheerios, that's why. And then I add extra nuts and some raisins. There you go. So it's very handy when it's in the Ziploc bag, so you don't have to hustle and just grab it and put it in your bag. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you get some idea on how to make some kind of snack at least. So hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell down below to get updated for the new video I made, and put the comment down below too. And thank you for everyone who subscribed to my channel, and hope to see you again next time. See ya.